The Renegade range is renewed with Altitude, Night Eagle, Sahara and limited Willis versions. The Renegade 2025 range starts at 115,990 Brazilian reais in the 1.3 turbo version and 99,719 Brazilian reais for PCD customers. Equipped with the most powerful engine in its category, with 185 horsepower and 6 airbags in the entry version, the vehicle is the only SUV in its segment that offers 4x4 traction. The new range comes with a 5-year factory warranty on all versions. The design of the Renegade, a Jeep icon, is unique and sets it apart in the market. Equipped with the most powerful engine in its class, with 4-wheel independent suspension and the only engine offering 4x4 traction, the Renegade stands out as the true SUV in its segment. The new range includes 6 options: 1.3 turbo, Altitude, Longitude, Night Eagle, Sahara and Trailhawk, as well as a special version, the Willis, limited to 500 units by the end of the year. The 2025 Renegade range brings styling updates to the new versions and offers exceptional comfort, technology and safety from the entry-level version, providing a perfect balance between standard elements. Moreover, the model also offers a 5-year factory warranty. Available in Polar White, Granite Crystal, Jazz Blue, Carbon Black and Sting Grey, the Renegade now has 2 new options: /Gold, exclusive to the Sahara version, and Green Recon, exclusive to the Willis version. Jeep is offering the version with the Tech Pack, which includes autonomous emergency braking, fatigue detector, lane departure monitoring, reversing camera, 7-inch multimedia center, wireless connectivity for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, at a price of 118,290 Brazilian reais, previously available.
Willys, Special Edition.
Inspired by the original Jeep models of the 1940s with its design and 4x4 capacity, the Renegade Willis features decals inspired by the lettering on the bodies of the first Jeeps produced in the world, and the Recon green color reflecting the brand. It also has a standard sunroof, version sill and Willis embossed seats. This model, which is the top-level version of the model, has new 17-inch wheels with ATR Plus tires that provide maximum off-road capability. Just as the Jeep Willis is now a collector's car, the Renegade Willis also comes with a special edition. An icon that is always on the move without giving up its origins. It is impossible not to say that the Renegade has a unique look. After all, everyone recognizes the model wherever it goes. The striking design comes from the brand's origins with iconic elements such as the round headlight, 7-slot grille, X-shaped lights and trapezoidal wheel arch. All this is retained in the 2025 series, with the addition of new rims on the Longitude, the model's best-selling version. What's more, the A-pillar is now also painted on the black-roofed configurations, which further enhances and emphasizes the model's distinctive design. Other improvements come from the inclusion of even more convenience elements such as the 8.4-inch multimedia center, the 7-air color and configurable digital instrument cluster and the automatic air conditioning and dual zone, which are standard from the Altitude version onwards. With the arrival of the Sahara, a panoramic sunroof is also available as standard on the 4x2 versions. It also expands the range of versions with comfort items such as blind spot monitoring, automatic headlight switching, keyless entry and start, remote start and others. It is worth emphasizing that the model offers many elements in terms of technology, safety and peace of mind, regardless of the version chosen. Since the entry-level version, the Renegade has 6 airbags and can be configured with semi-autonomous driving technologies such as emergency braking, warning and lane change assistant as well as fatigue detector. The upper versions have additional features such as license plate recognition, automatic headlight switching and rear traffic detector and blind spot monitoring. In addition to all this, it still has the most powerful engine in its category in all versions. The 185 horsepower 1.3 turbo flexible engine provides a superior driving experience, offering greater safety when starting and overtaking. And all this with an average of 11 km per liter on the city bike and 12.8 km per liter on the highway, gasoline. The model also stands out as the only model in its segment to offer both 4x2 and 4x4 versions.